In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how you can create beautiful logo with your smartphone like a pro, just with Android. Even if you don't have a PC, if you don't have a computer or anything at all, you can use it. This particular one now, I created it without even internet, so all you need to do is to have the app. So here today I'm going to be using this app, Design Evo. So if you don't have it, Design Evo, this particular app, you go to your Play Store and download it. I'm going to show you different way you can use to create beautiful logo for yourself. So when you come here, you can choose any of the industry, maybe abstract, animal, art, transportation, business, education, fashion, food, and there are so many other industry. So but for the sake of this video tutorial, I'm going to pick business. I'll click on business because I want to show you exactly what I did to create the logo for Creative Entrepreneurs Online. Creative Entrepreneurs Online is a community of like-minded entrepreneurs where they come together and share ideas and training and support in general. So if you are not in that group and you are watching this video, you can kindly go and join us on Facebook, Creative Entrepreneurs Online. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, I'm going to drop a link so that you can join the group on Facebook. Alright, so here is it. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I will just double tap. Anything you want to edit, if you double tap, it will come up. So here I will put in the company's name. So the group I created for is my community on Facebook, Creative Entrepreneur Entrepreneurs Online. Alright, so I'll click on done. So that's the company's name. Then the slogan here, I will double tap it and put whatever I want to put in there. Alright, and the slogan CEO. Alright, I will click on done. So now we have our slogan or abbreviation, and then we have our company name. So Creative Entrepreneurs Online, here is it. So all I need to do, if I'm okay with the text, if I'm not with the font, I can change whatever I want to. But then if I want to make it curve, curve the writing, I can do it this way. I can adjust it the way I want it. So here it is. Alright, Creative Entrepreneurs Online, CEO. This is an online community on Facebook where like-minded entrepreneurs come together, share ideas, share training, and much more. So I can adjust everything I want to. I can bring it to the center. I can change the color. So if I want to change the color, all I need to do is to tap on a particular thing I want to change here. I will tap this icon here. So all I will do is this one, I want it green. I will tap on green. This one, I want it to be red. I'll click on red. And then if I want to change this color too, I can change it. If I change it white, it won't be visible, so I'll leave it the way it is, or I can change it to anything I want. All right, that is it. So I've created, I can do anything I want with this. I can change anything I want. I can add anything I want to add, and my logo is created. I can also, maybe if I want to add another image, or I want to add another graphic, I can also do that. Maybe this one, I don't like how it looks. I can change the font. Maybe I want it to be bolder. I can make it bold here. Change the font, maybe like this one. This one is better. All right, CEO. So voila, it is done. It's a done deal. I'm done with creating my logo. I can add anything I want to. I can remove anything I want to. I can adjust anything I want, all by using this. All right, here. Let's say I want to add a graphic, or I want to add another design. So all I need to do is maybe click on decoration if it is line I want. If I want a solid shape, I can scroll here. You can just look for anything at all. So in this case, I added a star because I believe every entrepreneur is a star. So when I click on star, I can adjust the star. I can also change the color of the star. You see, voila, our logo is ready. So with this now, I can sell to people. I have been creating logos and people pay me doing that. Or it could be that you just want it for your own personal business, for your branding. You can also use this to create different logos that you can do. So this is one way I'm showing you. I'm going to show you another again. So you click on this arrow to save, this arrow pointing upward. You click on it. It will now ask you, do you want to save or you want to share it? You click on save. It will still ask you, is it in JPG or PNG or transparent? I'll click on. All right, the second way you can also create beautiful and amazing logo design from your mobile phone, even without an internet, is through this app, 3D Logo Maker. All you need to do is to download it from your Play Store. The only downside with this app is that it contains a lot of adverts. So there are a lot of ways you can use to create logo. You can create from start to finish. You can choose a template. You can choose a template. I don't want to choose a template, so I want to also just use the auto design. So I'll click on this auto design. So it's going to ask me to fill in some. Maybe I'll put in the name, the company's name, and also choose the slogan or maybe the abbreviation. This app is amazing. It's just that it delays a bit. If you are not patient enough, you can't really use it. But if you are patient, you take your time, because every designer should have patience. So if you are patient, you take your time, and you will be able to create amazing, beautiful logo with this app. So it always takes you to where you were before. All right, let me start. All right, from the beginning. So here it is. You choose the industry that you want to create logo on, so you can check anything. So let me pick business and consulting. So I tap online entrepreneur, creative entrepreneurs online, and the slogan is CEO. So I'll click on next. It will ask me, is it a modern, is it handwriting, is it contemporary or 3D? So I'll go with 3D and click on next. So it will just automatically create beautiful and amazing design. All I need to do is to pick one that resonates with what I am doing, and then edit it and save it. So it's easy. This one is just like 1 2 3. Pick if you are using the auto design, you just pick a particular design you want, pick the industry, input the name, then you create your design. It will give you amazing different template. So all you need to do is to go through it, pick the one that resonates with you or goes with what you are doing or talking about, and then you can still edit one or two things with this particular design, and then you save. Or you can even just get it the way it is like this and save it. Let's say maybe I want to go with this one, so it will ask me to edit and save. So it usually does that, but it's creative. It will come up. So I can change it. I can do whatever I want to do with it. And believe you me, if I just click on save now, it can still save it and it will come out beautifully. So I don't know why it's misbehaving, but I hope you get it. So all I'll do is to save it, or I can change the background. I can make it a star. If I want to put a star in it, I can add a text. If I want to, I can impute more text. I can just do so many things. So this is amazing. It's an amazing, a beautiful app that you can use to do so many things with it. You can create different design within a minute, even second, if you get used to it very well. You can even add image from your gallery and so many other things. And once you are done, you just click on save and you save. So that is how the second way you can create logo with your mobile phone, even without internet. All right, the third way you can create beautiful, amazing and professional logo by yourself from your mobile phone, but this one you have to have data on your phone, is Canva. I know you must have heard about Canva. So all I need to do, this Canva, you can go to your Play Store and you download it if you don't have Canva. Canva is a must-have app to every entrepreneur, be it online or offline, because there are so many things, more than 60,000 templates on Canva, and there are a lot of things you can do with Canva. But for the sake of this video tutorials, I'm going to show you how to create amazing and beautiful logo with Canva. So here I will click on logo, and to show me different category. Is it about fashion? Is it about computer logo, education logo, sport, restaurant? So let's say maybe I just want to go with maybe computer logo. So it depends on what you are creating for your brand or what your client wants. So here, one thing with Canva is that, as you can see, all this one is free. There are free templates, there are paid ones. Like this one, you have to pay before you make use of it. That's why I'm showing you that $1, you have to pay $1 for that. So when you are using the free, you should always know that when you're using the if you pick this one and you didn't pay for it, there will be watermark on it. So you take note of that. So the next thing I will do now, I can just click on this. I can pick any design, any template of my choice, and I will tap on edit. When I tap on edit, I'll be able to edit almost everything that I want to edit right here on Canva. Please, as you are watching this video, if you're finding it helpful, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to comment and engage in the description, in the comment section of this video on YouTube. Just tell me something. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on subscribe button, and after you click on the subscribe button, there's a bell sign which is a notification. Click on it so that you get latest notification on our videos, be it on entrepreneurship, on online business, on self-publishing, creating amazing design, how to make liquid soap, how to make hand sanitizer, how to make face mask, so many things. Everything entrepreneur is here, how to monetize your passion, and much more. So what I'm going to do is, anything I want to do, I'll just tap on it. So let's say maybe the name of the company is, all right, maybe is N to N. All right, so I have tapped N to N. So I want to work on this particular guy here. Anything you want to edit, you just double tap it and you'll be able to edit it. So I am okay with the end to end. Let me tap out. All right, so this particular one I will double tap it, and then let me put dynamic concepts. All right, I can leave it this way. It's beautiful, you understand? So I can change the color if I want to. I can give it any color of my choice. I can change the color of this too. Maybe I should give it the orange. This is just simple and amazing, beautiful. That is it. So if I want to add any other thing, anything I want to add is this plus sign here. I will tap on this plus sign. If this illustration, maybe I want to look for a laptop and add to it, I can just tap laptop here and it will search for laptop. I will tap on search and it will search different amazing laptop. So here, this laptop that is showing this crown sign shows that I must pay money before I make use of it. So I want a free one. I can just pick this one. I'll adjust it. I can adjust it like this way. I can take it anywhere, maybe to this angle here. Let me keep it near this guy. All right, you see, that is it. So if I want to add another text, I'll click on add text here. So I can add text of my own. I can add anything, add text here, you see. So I can input anything I want, and meanwhile, if anything I put that I don't want, if I tap it here, I can delete it. So I don't want this text. So voila, I have created beautiful, amazing logo. Anything you want to add, if you want to add picture from your gallery or any other thing, you can also add just by clicking on it. You can just add on image or template or anything at all you want to add from your gallery, or you can just scroll like this and just pick, drag and drop, or you click on your gallery here or images and add anything you want to add on Canva, and that is it. This is a beautiful logo, simple and short. So all I'm going to do is to click on download here and it will automatically download. It has successfully downloaded into my gallery. So this is so beautiful. This is amazing things you can do. I've shown you 3 different ways. All you need to do, you can add to your hustle, to your side hustle, and say that I can create logo for you at 1,000 naira even. You understand? And people will come asking for this. All you need to do is take your time, go through it, and start making money. But don't forget to come back here and give me tithe. Until I come your way in the next video. Bye, and do have a wonderful day.